Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January, day 26. Can't believe we're already so far into this challenge. Today's prompt is movement, so let's flip through our junk journals and find the right page for today's prompt. I hope you have your sketchbook or your junk journal ready to dive into this creative session with me. I decided to use some of these craft paper, which is a bit more sturdy, to add an element of movement onto my page to make sure that it will stay there and will be able to get moved around in a way without breaking off very soon. So that's why I decided on the craft paper. And we will make a little Pac-Man kind of inspired little dude that is onto the page so that we can spin him around to reveal a little message. That was just something I thought would be fun to create for today's spread. So that's the idea I did just run with. How are you all guys doing? I hope you are having a lovely Sunday and your creativity is still going strong even on day 26 of this Junk Journal January challenge. Or maybe you just get creative in a different way if you're not taking part in the challenge. I'm really happy how this challenge turned out so far, and I can't wait to dive into the full junk journal tour very soon and flip through this completed book, because I think I will really be happy with how this challenge turned out. Here I decided I need to add a backing on the opposite side of the page to make the back side of the page sturdy as well, so that the little Pac-Man wouldn't rip a complete hole in the a bit more flimsy book page I had as the base for today's spread. So that's why I add some craft paper on the back side here as well, but then I will later make a little collage design of the back side to make it also a beautiful spread and not have the kind of metallic thing exposed here. Now it just isn't looking pretty, so we will cover that up with some papers to make it beautiful again. But for something like that, you should make sure that you don't glue everything down on top of the mechanic in a way. So I'm just gluing the outside of the music sheet down to have it kind of detached in the middle so that it won't constrict the movement in any way. And here I'm just taking out one of the rest copies from the repeat day we had, so just to cover that up and make it a cute spread as well. I hope you are all having fun and did have a lovely creative weekend, and I'm really excited to dive into the new sketchbook challenge very soon. But as I said, I will let you know as soon as we start that for February. Before that, we will have to complete our Junk Journal January challenge. thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. And until then, happy creating. See you very soon.